Alright, what's going on, friends? In this video I'm going to show you how to clean this Hoover shampooer, and I got some tricks to how to clean the brushes down underneath here, so make sure you watch the whole video. This top tank, you really don't have to do much with this with cleaning, but I recommend if you're going to put this away for storage, I would maybe dump your cleaning solution back into your container. You might need a funnel to dump it back in there, or just go clean a few more rooms. And get all the water out of there, and maybe let the lids off for a little while to let that dry out. That's all you got to do with this tank. Real simple. I don't really need to show you that. Alright, let's take our dirty water tank off. Just like I showed in my last video, you just pull up on that little handle. If you've already used your shampoo, you should know how to take that off. So we'll take that off. We're going to clean that. Now there's a little lever right here. We're going to pull up on that. It just goes over to the, I guess, to the right, looking at it. And this piece here is going to pop off. Now we can rinse this piece out. Now flip this up. Now you have your brushes under here. There's there. This should just pull off of here. Yep, just like that. Now I'm going to take that in, and in my utility sink I'm going to clean this out. Now you could just do this in your kitchen sink also if you want to. So let's go in there. Another thing you could do, maybe just get some paper towels and wipe off the bottom of this. Or an old towel or an old rag. Just wipe that off. Pat dry some of this if that got a little wet. I think just by leaning that back, it got wet in here. Make sure your little rubber gasket still looks good up here. Just be real careful with that. Alright, that part looks pretty good. Now let's take these pieces in and we'll clean these up. Real simple. Now I just have a table and an old towel down that I can lay all my stuff on that old towel and let it sit there and dry. Now if you want to put it on your countertop, maybe put a towel down on your countertop, let it dry. Alright, first I'm going to take my dirty water tank, and right here there's a little clip. Just pull up on that just like it is, just like you'd be taking this off of your machine, and that will take the top off of the bottom. And you can dump all this into your sink or your toilet, wherever you want. Some people say to dump this really dirty water into your toilet so you don't have to worry about clogging stuff. Now this is real easy. Just rinse that out and clean it. While you're cleaning this, maybe just real quickly check over this seal. Make sure you get all the dirt off of that rubber seal there too. Be careful if you got to scrub that. I feel little pieces of dirt there. That's probably just from dumping that dirty water out. So I'm going to rinse that off a little better. Alright, that's about it for that. Now I'm just going to put that on my towel and let that dry. Now we just have the top portion. You can take this little filter piece off right here. Some people leave this off. They don't even ever put this back on. They think it runs a little better with it in the water. I guess that keeps some of the dirt, real dirty water from going into the top. But you're going to have to just spray some water inside here and try to rinse it around and clean it out. Another thing is too, as soon as you get done using your shampoo, I recommend trying to clean it. Don't let it sit for like a couple days, then clean it, because all this dirt is going to be a lot harder to get out. You're just gonna have to fill up all these little container or these little compartments. I just fill them all up. Shake it around. I'm pretty happy with that. I think that's good enough for me. I might leave this open to help get this dried out a little better. I'm going to lay that on my towel. Now I'm going to rinse off the piece. This is a piece that sucks the dirty water back up. Spray some water down through there. Spray some water right down through that crack that way. If you hear that noise, that's just my upflush toilet, because this is in my basement. If you want to see how to put an upflush toilet in, just like that, that little tank in there has a little motor in it, and it pumps my toilet and this deep sink up about 3 feet, because my sewer is about 3 feet off the ground. Alright, I'm going to lay this over here to dry out. Maybe I'll open this top up. Another thing, oh, see that? I opened that up and I felt that seal and it feels a little dirty. Probably wouldn't hurt to open that up, clean that off. I didn't think that would be dirty because I never really used it, but it might be actually easier just to open that up, clean in there. Like I said, check some of these seals. Hopefully they're still good. Set that on your towel. Now this piece, you can take this apart and it's a lot easier to clean these brushes. Mine don't look real too bad right now because I only cleaned a couple of carpets, but normally these brushes will really get clogged up with old pieces of your carpet or hair, and I'll show you how to clean them. You want to have an old comb. First we can take this apart. So there's little tabs, they should just push over. It's going to be a little tricky, but push those two over. Push these two over. Push these two over. There. Easy. Comes right off. Okay, the center one's not going to come off there. On my old one, they would all come off. Just take all these apart. It makes that 100 times easier to clean this. After you clean your entire house, this is going to be really filthy. So clean that off. This is the one thing that I didn't see anybody showing. A lot easier to take that apart to clean it. So let me set that over here. Now, if your brushes are really dirty, you can just take an old comb and kind of go around it and run it through these bristles. See, it's getting some hair out of there. Mine aren't even that bad. Let's turn that off. So just run a comb through there and we'll get all that yucky dirt out. All the hair and dog hair, whatever you got. Like I said, I think I said that I got 2 dogs, 2 cats, 2 lizards, 2 kids, and only 1 wife. I can't handle 2 wives. Alright, that's how I'm going to do all of them. Rinse them off. Set that on your towel to dry. Rinse this off. Alright, don't forget to rinse off your little filter. Alright, now I'm just going to let everything lay here to dry, and then I'll put it back together. If this video helped you out, just give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know where you guys are from. I really like knowing where all my people that are watching my videos are from. And if you want to continue watching, I'll show you how to put this back together. But it's really simple. Hit that subscribe button to help support my channel. God bless and have a great day. Alright, if you're still watching, I'm going to show you how to put this back together. All I did was take the top of the dirty water container and put the little filter back over where that yellow float is. So put that on there. Then you're going to want to take the bottom of the dirty water container. And there's two little tabs here. They're going to slide in these two pieces back here. So slide them in. And we're going to clip it on. That's all to that. Before you put that tank on, you got to put this piece on first. So make sure you close that. You're going to have to, this is a little bit easier if you have it on the ground, but I'm just trying to, but you got to pick up these two little tabs here that stick out. Got to go underneath here at the bottom. Easy. Now we can put that tank in. Just so I'll show you again, if you didn't, hopefully you didn't forget, there's two little tabs in the back of this tank. And you got to slip that in at the back here. And we're going to clip that in. Take your tank that has your cleaning formula and your clean water. You might as well just put that one back on top. Easy. Now you can take your brushes. Take that plastic piece and I'm going to work these little brushes down inside there. Oops. Here we go. Kind of a little tricky, but not too hard to get that back together. Now, I think I'm going to take this off because I still got water in mine. Flip your shampooer back down. Now this piece here is going to line up with that little hole in there. Just push it in. That's it. That's supposed to move like that, so it goes up and down where, like if you got thicker carpet or thinner carpet. Like I said, if you ever got to carry this thing, I recommend carrying it from this, not from the handles. Put this back in. I don't recommend grabbing hold of this handle if you have to carry this. Like I said, grab under here. That's pretty much it. That's how you put it back together. Hope that helped you out. You made it all the way to the very end of this video. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave me a comment, give this video a thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button to help support my channel. God bless and have a great day.